Thank you for joining me on this learning journey. Today we're going to be going over how to solve problem 9 on the AMC 8 2019 question paper. Alex and Felicia each have cats as pets. Alex buys cat food in cylindrical cans that are 6 centimeters in diameter and 12 centimeters high. Felicia buys cat food in cylindrical cans that are 12 centimeters in diameter and 6 centimeters high. What's the ratio of the volume of one of Alex's cans to the volume of one of Felicia's cans? So I've drawn little rough sketches of our different cans, and our first instinct here might be to calculate the volume of each of the cylinders and then find the ratio, but we really don't need to do that, and here's why. Now, the volume of a cylinder has to be the area of the base times the height, because if you think about it, a cylinder is almost the expansion of a circle. You're just adding height to a circle. And we know the volume of a circle is pi r squared. Now let's get back to the dimensions that our problem gives us. So first off, it tells us that it's 6 centimeters, not 6 meters, 6 centimeters, and its height is 12 centimeters. So if we know its diameter, we know that a circle's radius is half its diameter. So radius is this much, so it's half the diameter, which means it would be 3 centimeters. Now the r in our expression here in our formula stands for radius, so we're going to go pi r squared would be pi times 3 squared, or pi times 9, which would be 9 pi. Multiply that by the height to get the volume of the cylinder. So we multiply that by 12, and we get 108 pi. Now that's the volume of our first can, or of Alex's can. I'm not going to multiply 108 times pi using 3.144 pi, because we'll find that we'll be able to cancel out pi when we get to Felicia's can. So let's go over Felicia's can next. Alright, so our diameter here is 12 this time. So our diameter on this one is 12 centimeters. And our height is 6 centimeters. Again, our radius is half our diameter, meaning that it is 6 centimeters. Plug that in the pi r squared formula, and we get that the area of the base is 36 pi, because 6 squared is equal to 36. Let's multiply that by 6, and we get 216 pi. Now we're asked to find the ratio of Alex's can to Felicia's can, meaning it has to be 108 pi over 216 pi. So it has to be 108 pi over 216 pi. Right away we can cancel out 2 pi's. Next, what I'm noticing right here is that 216 is 2 times 108, so divide both by 108 and you get 1 over 2. And we see that on our AMC 8 question paper, our answer is B. So that's it for this learning. Thank you for joining me. I'll really appreciate it if you leave your comments, feedback, and further suggestions for additional learnings below. I'll see you in the next video.